Okay, so now that we can analyze our sales into different ways, what we need to do is that we need to go a bit further, and we should be able to break down our sales by country. And we are going to do next. But before I do that, let me arrange my dashboard in a bit decent manner so that we can quickly see what is happening. So let me make it a bit smaller and let me make it a bit aligned, and I don't really want to see these y-axis here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my format after selecting this icon, after selecting this axis, and I will simply turn off x-axis and I will simply turn on the y-axis. So I have the overall trend, right? But I also don't want to see this this heading of amount and date month. So I will simply click on this drop down here. I will drag it down and I will turn off this title, and now you can see the title has also disappeared. And I will just go back and I will go to y-axis now, and I will drag it down, scroll down, and I will also turn off the axis of y-axis. So now we can we can see this overall trend comparatively in a neat manner. So before I move forward, let me do one more thing, and that is, let me repeat my objective. And the objective is now to be able to analyze sales by country. I just want to see one country at a time. And for that, what I will be doing is that I will be bringing a slicer here. So a slicer is basically an option given here in the visualizations. And once you click on that, you can see this option is appearing on your dashboard now. And this is a simple blank slicer. We will have to tell Power BI that on which basis we want to slice our data. And by the way, we want to slice our data by country. So I will go to my territory option and I will say I want the country to be appearing in the field for the slicer. So drag it down into the field, and now you can see we have a slicer where we can select any country that we want. So you can do some formatting for slicing as well, but before we do that, let me show you how it is working. So if I just click on USA, you can see all the values have been changed, right? And similarly, these charts have also changed. I click on UK and you can see that values have changed and also the trends have been changed. Let us click on New Zealand and you can see that there are different values now. Click on Germany and click on France. You can see different values. So that is what Slicer will do. Slicer will simply apply that filter on the complete charts that are available on this particular dashboard, and you can only select one particular country at a time. So I want to go back to my original position where I could see all of them. So I will just click on this slicer here and I will click on this remove sign which says clear selections, and once I do that, I will be back to my original view where I was seeing all of those 7 countries compiled all together. Right, so this way we can simply sort our data by country. Now what we are doing next is, that was basically just an introduction of what we can do on our dashboard. What we are going to do next is to start preparing our profit and loss account in the next section. Let's do that.